speaking Scots is your human right. So you get in ilka day in Scotland, folk just can't get along with speaking Scots. You can speak Scots in most folk, but not all the time. Ken, there's money a situation where you just can't speak again the way that we're meant to speak. So if you want to get some Scots news, come along at oorNews.co.uk. What I'm doing is I'm bigging this data set, a Rosetta Stone for Scots, to train AI and foot translate for English into Scots. And what it'll do for us is mean that with technology in the future, Ken, we wouldn't need to speak English any longer. Ken, we'll just be able to speak Scots all the time. And that's what I'm trying to do with your news. So you can join in with it. If you think there's anything wrong with the articles, let me ken about it. And if you want more variants, Ken, if you didn't get along with reading fits on here, Ken, let me ken about it. And we'll big this together, because Ken, Scots is, Ken, it's been long that we've just Ken, we've just nae head on anything. But with AI, Ken, there's a chance that we can do this. Ken, and makkin for the Scots. So Ken, come along and join your news.